Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Craftees. They did send me this item for review, so thank you to Craftees. Yes, like pretty much every single Craftees I get, the box is not in the best shape. But usually the diamond painting inside is fine. So, as long as that is the case, then you can diamond paint it. You might not be able to gift it unless you rebox it, but you should still be able to diamond paint it. Alright, so I'm wondering if they just need like more thick boxes. I don't know. There. So Craftees, there is, with each order you place, you support an artist. So they do legally license their diamond paintings. It says it's designed in Belgium and manufactured in China by Craftees. So art created by independent and hardworking artists, fun for people at age 90. Fun also for people at the age of 90 and suitable for ages 5 and up. Okay, so box mangled, but diamond painting inside looks nice and not messed up. So this one is supposed to be one of the glow-in-the-dark ones. At least I think it says glow on it, so I'm thinking that means it's a glow-in-the-dark one. So yes, I think it is the glow-in-the-dark one. It has these drills that don't have backing to it, so I think those are the glow-in-the-dark ones. So okay, it comes with 3 pens, with a 3, 6, and maybe 9 multi-placer, and a MOSFET tray, and then 3 grippies, 2 plates of wax, and then the silver tweezer. So lots of pens. And the drills are in the baggies here. And let me roll the diamond painting. So this should be a 40 by 50. That's the one thing the main thing I like about Craftees is their diamond paintings are my size. If you've been on my channel a while, you may notice I don't tend to do the big ones. So, I mean, I do it. I can do them. It's not a capability thing. It's a preference. So, I'm trying to move you up. So, there it is. It's these cats kind of mimicking people, I guess, because they're wearing dresses. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So this is called Felines. I don't know. I'm guessing it's in a different language. It's by Sybile art. I could pretend to know how to pronounce that, but I'm not. All I see is less felines. I'm sorry, I'm not cultured. All right. There. So there it is, the full thing. So let's move you down a little bit. So there is 28 colors. The legend, it looks mostly like my favorite legend. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Only a couple symbols. The number, ampersand, and question mark. And then I'm guessing these 2 are the glow-in-the-dark ones because it looks like the drills for the glow-in-the-dark ones. Are these in order? Nope. It doesn't look like it's in order. Okay, so the drills for the glow-in-the-dark ones are these ones. And they're like semi-transparent, and they don't have a silver backing like what what do you call that? Rhinestones. Like the rhinestones, they have silver backing. So because they don't have a silver backing, you can't have a real symbol. So that's why they're just plain circles, and on the canvas they just look like that. So let's look at the canvas here. Well, everything is in the white circles, so the symbols are black except for, you know, these ones. So they are very clear. What I don't get is when it's like that, why do they still print the symbols like this? I mean, it's not, there's not a white one. It's a black one with a white circle. So yeah, I'm not sure why it's still printed this way. I don't know. It's one of those things that I've noticed, and it kind of bothers me just because the symbols don't exactly match the symbols on the canvas. But yeah, it's one of those like minor things. So yeah, symbols are beautiful. So, and it looks like everything that's glow in the dark is the outline of the cats. Looks like it's going to be this pink one here. And then it looks like maybe the outline of the umbrella is going to be this, maybe this green one. So yeah, number 20. Oh, okay, number 20 is green, but it's like blue on the canvas. So let's see if this is glow in the dark. I'm just going to shove this next to my light and see if there'll be enough time for it to glow in the dark. And then, nope, it's too bright in my room. Or it hasn't had enough time to seep the light. So this one looks like it might glow a little bit more. If I could cover all the darkness. But yeah, no, sorry for like the zooming into my hands. But when this gets finished, hopefully I'll be able to show you the glow in the dark. So yeah, it does look like these two are the glow in the dark. It also has, it looks like 2 ABs here. So if you're new to diamond painting, ABs are the drills that have the little iridescent coating on them so that it kind of reflects the light and gives it, to me, it gives it a more metallic-y look. And it just does shine a little bit differently than the regular drills. And then it also has 2 rhinestones here, and then everything else looks to be just regular drills. I'm not, well, you know, I've already taken them out, right? So let's just show you the drills here. And there's no way they're gonna get nicely put in the bag again. So they're not in order, so I wasn't too bothered. But it does look like they only have like the 1 through, what is it, 28 on the outside of the bag. So. All right. I was able to put it in and it's not too bad. So yeah, there is this cat picture here. So did I say this is by Sybile Art, and it's $49.98 on their website. And let's see, it's supposed to be a 40 by 50. And yep, that's 40. And yep, that's 50. So yes, it's a true 40 by 50. So yes, there you go. So because the finish of this is not going to be at the end of the video, I did actually work on one of my previous Craftees when I went and gave my order for this one. So I'll show you the finish of one of my older Craftees that I hadn't finished until more recently. So I did this diamond painting here of this turtle. It's called Silent Journey by Christine Cholowsky. It is from Craftees. I did get this as a PR package also, and it was $45.98. It's a 40 by 50. I got this back in November 2021. So this is a full drill with poured glue. There were 25 colors. 2 of them were crystal rhinestone. I just noticed I didn't underline the round. So these are rounds. 2 of them are crystal rhinestones. They are DMCs. And this took me 5 days to complete. I thought the rendering was good and everything else was fine. So this took me 19 hours and 59 minutes. So let's just say 20 hours. And I did have some comments. I did replace... Okay, so because I apparently cannot just keep it how it was, because I have to put my own bling, I did replace a whole bunch of things with... I replaced the 939 with an AB, and I replaced the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors with rhinestones. But I only did it for the turtle. So, here it is. Let me move you up here. So yeah, here is the turtle here. I think it's beautiful. I really like the colors on this one. The turtle is not like, the turtle doesn't pop out, but in the original image, the turtle is a little bit more camouflage, so it makes sense. And that's why I focused on, when I was trying to add the ABs, I kind of tried to focus on more closer to the colors that are in the outline. So I did add like, let's try to like bring it up. I should just bring it down. So I did add ABs here. I'm not sure if you could tell. And then a whole bunch of rhinestones. Like, there's way more rhinestones in this than there was charted. Because I told you, the only rhinestones that came with this were these yellows. Okay, so yeah, the yellows. So the yellow drills were what was charted, but then I added these blue rhinestones here, and then some blue rhinestones there, and then these are some green rhinestones, and then I added red rhinestones, and then so I did a lot of rhinestone adding to this. And that was mainly so that I could emphasize the turtle more. I'm sure it would have looked fine without it. It might have looked better with the original drills, because I don't know. But I have a problem now where I have to, every time I do a round, I have to figure out something to do with it with all my spare rhinestones, because I have so many spare rhinestones. But yeah, no, I think this turned out beautiful here. So I'm happy with that one. The drills, yeah, I don't think I really, what did I write? I said E and F were very similar. Okay, yeah, now I can see that. E and F were, I mean, since this one is a very, like, same color scheme of diamond painting, you could get things like this where the E and F are very similar, and yes, they're the same, pretty similar colors. And then I wrote C and O look very similar too. So on the canvas, sometimes those can look very similar, and they are similar colors. So they were probably right next to each other. But yeah, I highly enjoyed this one. I didn't have any real comments. The colors in this are beautiful. It's my type of colors, and that's why I chose it. So yes. There is the finish of that one. So let me move you up. This is here. And so there is my finish of a previous Craftees. And here is the new one that I just unboxed right now. So thank you very much to Craftees for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!